Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Just here to do my savings challenges today, which should have been done last Friday. As usual, I have £140. There's £20 here in £1 coins. That's 20 there. 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30 and 40. I do have some extra money that I did a bit of side hustling and received, and also I won £40 on the Grand National on Saturday, so I was really chuffed with that. I'm not a gambler, I just like a little flutter Grand National when it comes around once a year. Anyway, let me get started, and I will start with this binder. I still have this money to put into challenges from the last unstuffing and completed savings challenges, but I'm being patient with everything. I'm not in any hurry to do it. I'm just sorting it out in my mind, and once I get it sorted out, then I can, you know, just continue to do it. Right, let me do a symbol today, which are £15 the symbols, and I'll just get my colours out. I should have had them out already. So that's £15. Oh, I need to get some change. Okie doke. So I'll do 15 for a symbol today, and I'll just get that coloured in. There we go. We've got a symbol here for £15. I have taken out a bulk of money from this challenge in order to compensate for other challenges, completed challenges. And here we go with my luck of the draw. Just get the cards out for that. Okay, let's see what we've got here. We've got 2 of spades, so that will be £5. I'll just mark off a spade here and put £5. That goes into the pouch because it won't be used again. And we'll just put this away. And then get to 100. Gets £5. Oh, we've got some. Gets £5. I'll just get that coloured in. Lovely. I'm not quite sure why I'm doing this one, but I'm just doing it because it's the extra money that I want to accumulate in order to stuff and complete other savings challenges. So let's see what we got here. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to change that up again because I need the 5s. Right. right? 5, 10, 15, 20s in there. Yep, correct. And then we've got the big roll the dice. And I'll get my dices out. I'll do do I usually do 2 dices? I do, don't I? 2 blues. Let's do 2 blues. That's a 5 and a 1. So that's 1 here. And a 5. That's £6. We do it again. 2 3s. We've got, so that's £6 again. Oh, excellent. 2 3s. Lovely. Put those back. And we've got £6 here. And I will just put the money in there. And now I've got Roll and Strike. Oh, do you remember last time? Do you remember last time what happened to me with Roll and Strike? Okay, let's get a white dice and we'll mark it off as we go along. Let's see, let's do green. Right, so that's 5. Okay. 3. 5. All done. So that's 6, 4, 10, 12, 13 pounds. Wow. So that's 13. And I'll just get that coloured quickly with the yellow. Okay, so that's 13. Right, that one's done. Could have been worse. Last week was really bad, wasn't it? Oh, it was really bad last week. Okay, and then we have Roll the Dice, Double the Savings Challenges, and that goes into this jar, the coins. And I want to count this up and get it banked up as well. So let's see what we've got here today. That's 4, so that's £8 double. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's roll again. 3, so that's £6. See what we've got here. 2, 4, 6. And do you know what? I forgot to look at the back to see if I had any. Oh, I've got £1 rollover in here. So that's that. Put that in the jar. And I'm going to sort these coins out as well. And then we have it's gonna be May. And last week when I did it, I was supposed to finish up on day 7, but I marked off 8 and 9, which I didn't put any money in for those two. It was just a mistake by marking it off. What I'm going to do is from the 8th to the 14th, so that's 3, 7, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, 22. So I'll just strike that off. Right, so I'm striking off for up until the 14th. Great. How much did I say? 22. 7, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 20, 22. That's perfect. 22, and I will just put in 22. I will use, I've got the rollover. Great. Perfect. Put 1 extra pound for that. So that's 22. There we go. And it all goes into 1 pouch. Great. That one's done. I've got to sort those coins out because it's not closing. So I've got to sort that out and put that away. Great. And then now for my April, I'm doing 10. My April. And I will just colour them in. That's yellow and brown. Great. And 10. In here. And then I have my save 2023 and 2023. I leave to the last, and then I'll just finish up on my 52 weeks and then go back to save the 2023. And I'm going to do 5 today, so I've still got a lot of time for that. Lovely. And I'll go back to my save 2023. I love very much. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 20, 30, 35, 40, and we've got the £50 note. So that's 90, 50, 70, 80, 90. And I will do a 50 and a 40. Great. I'm really, really happy with that. I'll use this one. And it's actually my anniversary, my 1-year anniversary of budgeting on YouTube. This month it is, the first week of April it was. 1 year of budgeting on YouTube. I've been on YouTube from 2014, but I've been doing arts and crafts and all sorts and hauls and stuff like that. But for the budgeting, it was 1 year, the first week in April last year. Oh, I can't believe it. The time has just flown, hasn't it? Just flies by like nobody's business. So I'm really happy about that. And I'm going to continue to persevere with, no matter how small my stuffing is, I'm going to continue to stuff. And everything's finished here. So glad that £50 came in really handy. That was from a bit of side hustle that I did. But as I said, I did win £40 on the Grand National on Saturday, and I'm going to put that towards another savings challenges at some point, if I remember, because I just forget everything. I'm going to unstuff all the coins out of here and sort it all out, because it won't close. I'll do that at a later date. Anyway, that's it. See, it's not closing, or just about. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.